Hi folks, welcome to beautiful Guaranty RV in Junction City, Oregon. Today we're looking at the Forest River Heritage Glen. This model is a 2.6 RLHL. These are a new model we're carrying now here at Guaranty. It's got a lot of amenities, really nice storage area in here. As you can see, it's a taller storage area. It does have a battery kill switch in there and a light. Really nice. This is your emergency exit. Spot for a TV outdoors, which I like. Nice big power awning, outdoor speakers. This one's got a really nice solid step entry. And if you come around here to the back real quick, it's got this extra storage space, which is nice for firewood or ice chests, that type of thing. It's really cool. Let's go on inside and check it out. So one of the cool things when you first walk into the trailer, nice big windows to look out, pull down shades, lots of seating, very comfortable. This is an ideal unit for someone who likes to do some long-term camping. You got a lot of nice amenities in here. Nice little dinette, big windows everywhere, lots of storage, upgraded stove. Your entertainment center's over here, which is really nice. And then it's got a really good sized bathroom with a corner shower. And if you walk through, you go into the bedroom, which is a really nice mattress in there. Lots of storage, of course. And you've got an emergency door exit here. Vents up here to keep you nice and cool or warm in the season you're in. This one does have some storage underneath as well. And this mattress on here, like I said, it's a really nice, comfortable mattress. You'll be happy with it. Now, if you like this unit or any other unit that you've seen here at Guaranty RV, please give me, Big Sal, a call. I'll be happy to help you. My number is 951-443-8323. Thanks.